Hey y'all, Craig with Small Town Reshop and with the Bickums on YouTube, y'all. Alright, I saw this recipe on TikTok. So, or on a reel or somewhere. Y'all make sure you check us out, Small Town Reshop on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, everywhere else we're at. And with the Bickums on the YT. Alright y'all, I just got some hamburger meat here. My seasoning. Salt, pepper, granulated garlic, granulated onion. So we're just gonna put some seasoning in here. I don't make this really salty, so I wanna give it some good flavor, so we're gonna put enough. Put that up. A little bit of Worcestershire sauce. Yeah. Not a whole lot. We're just gonna drizzle that in just a little bit. So maybe about a tablespoon is all it needs. I don't want the meat to get too runny. 1 egg. So we're gonna go in with 1 egg. Help that meat have a little bit of body, and we're just gonna get right in there, y'all. All right, y'all. So we got some little small patties made. Y'all can see I cooked some bacon in the air fryer. As you can see, I just took the bacon out, got it kind of draining on a paper towel. I'm gonna cook some of these hamburgers in the air fryer because I made some small patties so it will work in the soft taco shells. So we're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna cook some of them in the air fryer. And I ain't even gonna clean the aluminum foil. So we're just gonna cook them in the air fryer and we're gonna be done with this. I'm gonna cook a few in the electric skillet. If you was wondering, if you're new to the page, I gave my stove to my daughter. My daughter and son-in-law remodeling a house, old house, just had a baby, needed a stove, hooked them up. So we got a little air fryer. That's what I'm fixing to use. So I'll be right back. All right, y'all. So we're gonna drizzle just a little bit of olive oil in the bottom of the electric skillet. All right, so we got the burgers cooking, y'all. I got a little bit of onion because that's what I want on mine. Remember, we're building these things like a cheeseburger. So we're gonna either use some shredded cheese, we got some shredded cheese, and we have some singles. So all depends on what you want. All right, hamburgers are cooking up nicely. Now I decided to cook my onions in here with the burgers. So we have some, like little cooked down onions instead of raw to go on mine. Don't forget we do have the bacon over there that we cooked that's going on there as well. So it's gonna be like a bacon cheese wrap or pocket, whatever you want to call it. Him. And we're gonna pick this one up. He ain't sealed all the way. That's okay. We're gonna stick him in the oil, and I'm gonna mash down them edges with my fork. And we're gonna let that brown up. Now, if it's gonna come out with one, don't wait too long. Like I said, it's gonna cook that down. It's gonna brown it up. It's already good and brown. And we're gonna let a little bit of the oil drain off. Hot, hot, hot. A little cheesy pocket, y'all, that's steaming. Ooh, Lord, it's hot. So you have to let it cool. Let it cool before you can eat it. Cheeseburger pockets, real easy, real simple. Something quick for supper. Make the kiddos happy, y'all. So I hope y'all enjoyed it. I'm Craig with Small Town Reshop and with the Bickums on the YT, y'all. Make sure you follow us in all our social media platforms to get notified when we have more videos on. Come hang out with us live. We make wreaths and sell wreath supplies here at Small Town Reshop. So if you're looking for some wreath supplies, come on over to smalltownreshop.com and we can hook you up, y'all.